How to manage group smart notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group smart notifications on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and select here any group you want, like this one, friends. Click on it and then click here on the top, this one, click on the title and then go down. And now on you to do just find this one here, smart notifications, and if you want to turn it off just click on it, and as you see smart notification has been turned on, and just click on it again to turn it off. And that's how to manage smart notifications on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.